The chicken comes out absolutely perfect. What I really like about this air fryer is they make it so easy to put together. So here we got it all taken apart. So what you're gonna do is, so say it comes with the small piece, right? And the larger piece, both glass, these pieces, the lid. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the larger piece in first, click it in. It's not going anywhere. Then because I'm using the large glass piece, what I like to do is I'm gonna put this piece in. Slides in just like that. And now it's basically ready to go. Now all you do is take the vent, the top piece, and you are ready. It is in there, and then we just plug it in. It's that simple. And if you want to put the small pieces in, you would just do that instead of the big pieces. It comes with this lid to keep the food warm for storage, for anything you'd like. So it's really neat and a great design. Got my pieces right here. Snap it in. It's ready. All right, let's start it. So what we want to do is we're going to go to menu. We can choose between max crisp, air fry, bake, and re-crisp are the 4 modes we can choose from. Temp and time, plus, minuses, start, stop. What's really unique about this air fryer is once the lid is removed on accident, it'll stop. So it's got a pretty cool safety feature it comes with. Also, what I really like about it is if the heat reaches 464 degrees, it automatically cuts off. So it's not going to overheat. It has that really cool overheat function, so it's really safe. All right, so I'm going to air fry this. Let's go to air fry, time and temperature. Let's probably do 10 minutes each side is fine. Temperature, I'm going to go to 370. Let's go. And we'll see how this turns out. What I really like about it is, as it's cooking, you can see it. And that's very unique. I mean, we have another air fryer, an old one that we were using, and it doesn't have that feature. And for the price, it's really awesome. Also, it uses 95% less oil. So it's a healthier air fryer, which we really like as well. Let's see how it's doing. I flipped it, and I'm going to do the max crisp. 15 minutes. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, perfect. Now for the best part. Nice and crispy. Let's pick this one. You can see they're made like perfectly crispy, which is awesome. There we go. A little hot. Perfect. I mean, we really like it. With all the safety features, you don't got to worry about it overheating. If it falls over by any means, it'll turn off. Dishwasher safe. So you just remove it here, put the glass, that's what we do, only in the dishwasher, and then we hand wash the rest of it. What's really great about this too is you can cook anything in it practically. Snacks, French fries, baked potatoes, sweet potato, chicken, beef, you know, you name it. You know, it's really awesome, and the chicken comes out absolutely perfect. We love it and we recommend it.